Hi, you guys. Welcome back to Meaningful Motivations with Tracy Erickson. And of course, if you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Tracy Erickson, and in this video, I want to talk about the healing benefits and the spiritual significance of coconut oil. And I want to tell you an easy daily practice that you can do to improve your oral health. So stay tuned. I absolutely love coconut oil. I use coconut oil in different ways each and every single day. The reason I love coconut oil so much is not only because of the healing benefits that I have received personally using coconut oil for my own oral health, but I also use coconut oil each and every day as my body's moisturizer, and it is completely organic with no added ingredients whatsoever. So it's a very natural way to take care of my body. Coconut oil is so good for you in so many ways. So I just want to go over some of the actual physical benefits that you can receive if you incorporate coconut oil in your daily life. Coconut oil offers many physical benefits, and that is mostly due to the unique composition of medium chain triglycerides and lauric acid in the coconut oil. So coconut oil is most commonly used as a skin and hair moisturizer. So coconut oil is a very popular ingredient in a lot of skincare products because it can hydrate and soften the skin. And for your hair, it is good for moisturizer as well. And if you have damaged hair, it could possibly improve your hair's strength and shine. And it could also help to prevent protein loss during any grooming, and also can protect your hair against UV damage. But of course, more research is needed, is what they say. Because the lauric acid is a major component of coconut oil, it has been shown to have antimicrobial properties, and this could fight off harmful microorganisms on the skin as well as in your mouth, which leads to oral health. So there is some evidence that suggests that coconut oil can help reduce plaque and gingivitis. But of course, you don't want to replace regular brushing and flossing and dental care with coconut oil. But other potential health benefits of coconut oil include weight management, because there are some studies that suggest the MCTs, or medium chain triglycerides, in the coconut oil can help increase your metabolism, which promotes fat burning and could potentially aid in your weight management. But of course, it's important to consume coconut oil in moderation because it does have a high calorie count. Now, other physical benefits could include cognitive function. So some research indicates that those medium chain triglycerides, or MCTs, found in coconut oil could provide an alternative energy source for your brain. And that will, potentially benefit people with cognitive impairments. Of course, more research is needed to confirm these findings as well. Other potential benefits would include wound healing, reducing inflammation, and can even help with certain types of infections. But of course, more research is needed. So if you want to use coconut oil for its many healing benefits, then of course you should use it in moderation, and don't fully replace all of your traditional, medical or healthcare regimens. So use your brain while using coconut oil. When it comes to using coconut oil for healing benefits, it is always important to note that further research is needed because, unfortunately, in this day and age, the healthcare industry as a whole is willing to put forth research into man-made and lab-created drugs, but they're unwilling to put forth research into these natural remedies. So I use myself as the experiment, the scientist and experimenter. So in my own direct personal experience, I have experienced better oral health that was confirmed by my dentist after oil pulling using coconut oil. Years ago, when I started this practice of oil pulling with coconut oil, my dentist actually confirmed that the coconut oil was effectively helping with my oral health. So, after I had been doing this daily practice for approximately 3 months, it was time for my every 6-month dental checkup and cleaning. So, right before the nurse, or whatever you might call it, started cleaning my teeth, I told her that I had been doing this oil pulling and that I believe it was improving my oral health. Now, when I first told her this, before she started cleaning my teeth, she didn't believe me. She actually said, "What is it that you're doing? And how do you think it's helping with your oral health?" And of course, I clumsily tried to explain the lauric acid thing, but she didn't really get it, and she didn't believe me. But anyway, she started cleaning my teeth. And while she was in the middle of cleaning my teeth, she literally stopped what she was doing, pulled her mask down, looked at me and said, "What is it that you were doing again? Because you normally have moderate plaque, but today you have little to none." And so I proudly told her once again that I had been practicing oil pulling using coconut oil and that the lauric acid was pulling toxins out of my mouth. And she said, "Well, I don't know if it's the oil or what, but whatever you're doing, you usually have moderate plaque and today you have little to none. So that tells me you're doing something right." For the best healing benefits using coconut oil, it's going to be important to pick a very high quality coconut oil. So I suggest picking something that is organic, as well as a virgin coconut oil and unrefined. I like to use the cold pressed, unrefined virgin coconut oil that is also organic. And that will obviously make it so that it is the highest quality possible. So the daily practice that I would suggest trying is oil pulling using coconut oil. Oil pulling is an ancient Ayurvedic practice that has been used for centuries. And this practice is of swishing oil within the mouth. It's a very simple, easy to do practice. Every morning, I go into the kitchen, grab a spoonful of coconut oil, and I put it in my mouth, and I start swishing. So in order to gain any benefit from the practice of oil pulling, you have to hold the coconut oil and swish it within your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes each and every day. And so this is actually going to be pulling those toxins out of your mouth, and the toxins are being held within the coconut oil that you're swishing. And after 15 to 20 minutes, you simply spit it out into the trash can because, as you might recognize, coconut oil is an oil that hardens when it cools off. So you don't want to be spitting this coconut oil into your plumbing, into the sink or the toilet, for instance. So just make sure that you spit the oil out after 15 to 20 minutes and spit it into a garbage can. And then I like to simply brush my teeth with fluoride-free toothpaste. That's my personal choice. And then I am ready for the day. I like to put the oil in and then just take my shower, and start getting ready for the day. Sometimes, if I'm not going to be doing that, I just read a book while I'm swishing the oil. But basically, just do something productive for the next 15 to 20 minutes that will not require you to speak to anyone. I also use fractionated coconut oil each and every day to moisturize my skin after my shower, because this is completely organic as well, and there are no added ingredients, no added colors, no added scents. This is nothing but pure fractionated coconut oil. And what it means to be fractionated is that it is liquid. So it's already in a liquid form. And so it makes it easier to, rub into the skin rather than using the regular coconut oil that is solidified. So that is the other way that I use coconut oil each and every day. And of course, I wouldn't be myself if I didn't also consider the spiritual significance of such daily practices. Spiritually speaking, I see coconut oil as something that is cleansing and purifying to your spirit because of the physical properties as well. Those can be translated into spiritual properties and significance as well as physical. So coconut oil has also been used across many cultures and across all times in ritual work or in spell work, and basically in bringing your flesh closer to spirit. It is also believed that using coconut oil during prayers or any other type of ritual will attract divine blessings and positive energies, which will also invite prosperity and harmony into your home and your temple, and even your body, which is your temple that your soul lives in. In Hinduism, the coconut and the oil that is derived from the coconut represents the Holy Trinity or the Divine Trinity, which is Brahma, the creator, Vishnu, the preserver, and Shiva, the destroyer. Now, coconut oil is also believed to ward off negative energies, which makes sense because it is antimicrobial in the physical. So spiritually speaking, this would be, getting rid of negative energy to allow only positive energy into your energy field. So spiritually speaking, I see the coconut as something that is offering cleansing and purity of yourself so that you can offer the best version of yourself to the world. I also see it as breaking open your ego, that tough outer shell that you have, so that you can then be open to receive the divine. I also see it as warding off negative energy so that you can then only really attract the positive into your life. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. So if you like this video, be sure to click that like button. And if you're a viewer but not yet a subscriber, I am inviting you now to click subscribe down below. And once you have subscribed, you can turn on the notifications bell if you would like to be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending your time with me. I love you. And I'll see you next time. Bye.